Good morning everyone and welcome to another episode of Exploring Cape Town. Today's a special episode because we're just standing at the beach with the coffee, we're not sitting in the car. It's the episode where we go to Sunset Beach, so my home spot. Really excited for it. Today's a really good day. We have some wind in the morning, but I tried with the 12 meter, and in the afternoon it should get stronger, and then maybe with the 7 or 9 meter. We have some good swell. We have 2.6 meters on 12 seconds. So looking forward for this episode. Hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Now we're here in the garage. We have all the stuff down here. There's twin tips, strapless freestyle boards, surfboards, everything you're gonna need. Nexus up from 7 to 9 meter. And sections, all the sizes you're gonna need. So yeah, as I said, we're gonna take the 12 meter section, we're gonna take the new core badger. If you haven't tried it yet, you should definitely give it a go. It's perfect, every waves from small to mid-size. Even in Hakka I took this board and it was pretty fun. And yeah, thanks to Windsport Fehmarn and Co for providing me with all the gear that is necessary to do the sports. So whatever you're gonna need, contact Windsport Fehmarn. They even have the quabber fins. It's the only shop where you're going to get these in Europe, so make sure to check them out. Let's go to the water. There's no better way to start a day than a good session. The wind was a bit tricky on the 12 meter because the 12 meter is quite slow. So in the bottom turn, to make sure that the lines are not gonna slack too much. But yeah, now I definitely need some food and I'll catch you guys later. So the food is ready now. We got some apple toast with scrambled egg. And yeah, whenever the wind is stronger in the morning, it normally slows down for midday, and in the afternoon gets back stronger. So fingers crossed for some more action in the afternoon. And now we're gonna eat, so see you guys later. It's 5 p.m. now, and the wind just got super strong. So most people would go to Hakka now or to Melkbos for wave riding, because it's just a bit less wind over there. But as today's episode is all about Sunset Beach, we're gonna stay here and I'm gonna grab my 7 meter Nexus and my 720. So some strapless freestyle, maybe some combinations, strapless freestyle with waves. expected the wind to be way stronger, so I took a 7 meter. In the end I had to change it halfway through the session. Then I was on an 8 meter. But yeah, I actually got what I paid for. So you don't really go to Sunset Beach to jump high. That's why you rarely see anyone do kite loops or stuff down here, because it's just super gusty. That's why the waves here are so good, because of the offshore wind, and the offshore wind makes it super gusty when it gets stronger. So yeah, for conditions like this, you'd rather go to, if you want to jump, you go to Dolphin or Doodles. And yeah, if you want a wave session, as I said, you could go to Melkbos or Hakat. But that's what this series is all about, just to check out different spots and see where it's good. And like afternoon sessions with strong wind in Sunset Beach, I can't really recommend, but sometimes it's good, you never know. But in general I would go to other places where it's just more consistent in the wind. So that's the end of this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give us a like, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and see you in the next one.